ChatGPT tips and tricks for dropshippers. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks that can improve your dropshipping business by a whole lot on ChatGPT. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of you guys might be wondering, what does AI or ChatGPT have to do with dropshipping? My business is so different. I have nothing to learn here. Well, you're wrong about that, because there is a great edge that AI can provide to someone that is looking to enhance their dropshipping business. And for someone that has been doing dropshipping for quite a while, this can reduce the workload that you have to do by yourself by quite a bit. So the first thing is, now I have a couple of different tips and tricks that I have been using, and I'm going to share this with you guys, but you need to make sure that you begin using these right away, because as more people understand this, you're going to lose your edge. Because right now, if you begin applying this to your dropshipped products, you're going to save time, effort, and money. But if you do this later down the line, like 5 months later, everyone is already going to be doing it. So you're going to lose the specific edge, but still in terms of reduction of time that's going to take you or having to pay someone else to do these tasks for you can still be reduced by a lot. So to get started, the first thing is to write product hooks. Now, if I go onto any platform to begin selling a product, so it might be clothing, it might be, any item. So let's say floral teddy bear. And these are like a super popular item. They sell a lot. They're on Amazon. They are on so many different platforms. They are selling on TikTok, and you might see a lot of ads for these on TikTok. So what you can do is that if you're dropshipping a product like this or any product that you are dropshipping, you can go into ChatGPT and you're going to add, so hey, can you write me a product hook for a floral teddy bear? Now, I just had an error. That's probably because of how busy the ChatGPT servers are, but I'm just going to refresh this and ask it again. Sometimes you might actually not be able to log on to ChatGPT due to the server being full, and it can be, a little annoying when that happens, but I'm just going to wait it out. So you can see they're experiencing high demand. That's why it might be a little slow. So now I'm just going to type the same thing like this. So I've just asked my question, and now it is just comprehending and thinking of different product hooks. And the best part about this is that you can do this and ask it to write you multiple different product hooks. So right now it's writing one, then I can ask, the ChatGPT bot to write me another one. So write me 10 more of these, but shorter. So I want more of them, but I want them to be shorter. I just asked it to make them shorter. And now instead of it being 3 lines, it's going to shorten the length of each of the product hooks. So you can do this infinitely. Honestly, you can ask it to write however many you want. It's going to keep on writing for you until you find the right one for you. And you can just take like a short video of your product, a very short Snapchat video or just phone video from your personal phone, upload it on TikTok, add one of these product hooks, and you will actually see a difference in your sale. You're going to see, a little bit of text that makes it seem more personable. People are a whole lot more likely to purchase the product from you. Now, this is hack number 1. It's simple, efficient, and saves you a lot of time. But there is another hack that could save you even more time, and I personally spent so much time wasting on this specific task. That is to write a unique product description. So for this, you need to know what you're selling, and if you have something in mind that you're dropshipping, but you have a writer's block, or just you're not that creative, you don't really know the words to use that are going to be good in marketing and advertising, because oftentimes what we write is not something that a marketing executive would look at and say, hey, this is an amazing pitch. No, the way that a customer is going to perceive an item is going to be different than what you might write. So for that, you can ask, so I'm asking it, can you write a product description for a floral teddy bear made of preserved roses, available in 5 colors, and the product is maybe 3 feet wide, 3 feet tall. So you want to, just give the basic dimensions or the basic summary of the product. And now I just asked it to write the product description. Now, this is a very great thing, because you don't ever want to copy the product descriptions that are written on your supplier store or whatever product description your supplier gives you, because you want to give your product a more premium feel. That's the entire model of dropshipping. You give your product a more magnificent or a more luxurious feel, and that's why people buy them, especially in terms of just, being easy to purchase and being from, a more reliable website or a more reliable brand that the customer might feel. So you can see it's writing the description for me. After that, I can even ask it to shorten the description or lengthen it as I might desire. So that is another amazing hack that you can do as a dropshipper using ChatGPT. And the next one is even better because replying to emails is difficult. Having to manage your CRM is difficult, and ChatGPT can simplify that as well. So if you have some basic customer requests or emails where a customer emails you, hey, I still haven't received my product, or the product that I got is damaged, what do you reply to that person? How do you want to reply to that? So what you can do, so you can add, hey, a customer emailed me saying, why is my product not here yet? It's been 1 week. So a customer emailed me saying, why is my product not here yet? It's been 1 week. Can you write a professional reply saying it will arrive in 6 to 10 days as per shipping policy? So it's just going to generate a reply for me. Dear customer, customer name, thank you for contacting us. We apologize for the delay. And I didn't even have to give it the prompt to write all of this. I just have to make sure that I'm providing basic delivery details or whatever is the reply you want to give. So if a customer sends you an email saying, hey, I received a broken product, and you made sure that their product was not broken, then you can be like, hey, I got this email from a customer and I want to send them a reply saying that I sent your product completely and it wasn't broken at the time of shipment, or it cannot be broken, something like that. You can just enter that information and they will make a more presentable version of that for you. So that is how simple it can be to start your own dropshipping business using ChatGPT, and you can really reduce and focus on more important things that might be to find the best product or to make sure that you're optimizing for your listings. And you can even do SEO optimization using the ChatGPT AI. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.